Are you trying to install a software application and you receive an error like this where you need to enable your VTX? I'm going to show you how to do this on a Windows computer, that basically a Windows 10 computer, and using a HP BIOS. The BIOS may be different from your computer, but it should be similar. Once you have your Windows up, go down to the bottom left corner and type in Settings. Then click on the Settings, which would open up a Windows Settings box, as you can see, and look for Update and Security and click on that link. Once you're in the Update and Security area, look for Recovery. Click on Recovery. Once you're in the Recovery box, you will see Advanced Startup, and you click Restart Now, which will restart into the BIOS setup. We are now ready to enter our system BIOS to enable VT. One thing I want to note is my screen capture does not work in this environment, so I had to use my iPhone, so it's not the best quality pictures. So click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and in Advanced Options window, click on UEFI Firmware Settings. Now click Restart. Note your mouse will not work in this environment, so you have to use your keyboard. Scroll down to Computer Setup and click Enter. Using your right arrow, swing over to Security. Scroll down with your down arrow, System Security. Using your right or left arrow, Enable will show. Click on Enable, then with your arrow go back to File. Use your down arrow to save changes and exit, and Enter. Your system will reboot back into Windows.